my name is Mike Bohnenstingl, Director of Golf Course Maintenance for Grandview Lodge. We're standing in front of the second green on the woods talking about the changes that have been made to the course during this renovation. First of all, we eliminated the two bunkers on the front of the green that were a blind shot or blind bunkers that were not visible from the fairway. We've created a roll-off area, extended the fairway right up to the green in that area. And then on the back of the green, we rebuilt the bunker. It was a lot smaller bunker before. As you can see behind me, it's quite large and it's visible from the fairway, and it really sets up the hole for the golfer to see, so you know that it's there. So the roll-off on the front has made it easier for balls to roll right up onto the green. You can chip or putt from that area if you can hold the ball on the green. So those are the changes that we've made to this hole.